How much do content creators get paid in 2023? Social media content creators have become a vital part of the digital landscape. With the ever-growing demand for more content, their salaries are only increasing. According to some estimates, in 2023, content creators could earn anywhere from $60,000 to $250,000 annually, depending on their skill set and the platform on which they have built an audience. That's a lot of money, and it's no surprise that content creators have become the new rock stars of the digital world. Don't worry if you still need to get a massive following. With patience and dedication, you can increase your standing as a content creator in 2023. As more companies adjust their strategies to include influencer marketing, content creators will likely become an even more invaluable asset. So if you're looking for a way to make a living from creating content in 2023, now is the perfect time to start. If you're looking for good returns, investing in cryptocurrencies is the best option. Before you invest in cryptocurrencies, you should learn the basics of trading cryptocurrencies. Technical analysis is a perfect choice to start your trading lessons. Technical analysis gives you an understanding of market trends and price movements to help you become a better investor. If you're looking for a trusted technical analysis tool, check out this one we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. TradingView can take your trading skills to the next level. An ideal platform for traders of all experience levels and styles, it offers comprehensive features tailored to help you find success in the stock market. Unlock a world of potential with TradingView today. To learn about the secret of blogging, check out our previous video.